To use American Express points for flights. Start by understanding the different types of points you can earn with American Express, such as membership rewards points. These points can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, and other travel expenses. First, log into your American Express account online or through the mobile app to check your points balance. Ensure you have enough points to cover the cost of your flight. American Express has partnerships with various airlines, including Delta, British Airways, and Emirates, allowing you to transfer your points to these airlines' loyalty programs. To book a flight using your points, go to the American Express travel website or access the travel portal through your online account. Search for flights and select the one that suits your travel plans. You can also use the Pay with Points feature, which allows you to book any flight and then use your points to pay for it. When using the Pay with Points feature, the value of your points will vary depending on the type of card you have. For example, with the American Express Platinum card, your points are worth 1 cent each towards flights. This means that 1,000 points would be equivalent to $10 towards your flight. If you prefer to transfer your points to an airline loyalty program, you can do so through the American Express website. The transfer ratio and processing time may vary depending on the airline. For instance, transferring points to Delta SkyMiles typically has a 1-to-1 ratio and is instant, while transferring to British Airways Avios may have a different ratio and take a few days to process. To get the most value from your American Express points, consider transferring them to airline loyalty programs when possible, as this can often result in a higher redemption value. Additionally, be flexible with your travel dates and consider booking in advance to get the best deals. By following these steps and understanding how to use your American Express points for flights, you can make the most of your rewards and enjoy discounted or even free travel. Always review the terms and conditions of your card and the American Express travel website to ensure you are getting the best value for your points.